What's up, guys? So today we're gonna change the wideband O2 sensor. Finally got it. Let's see how long this baby lasts, because for me that baby only lasted me a few months before they go out again. So this is today's plan. So before I even get under the car, I gotta find the right key. This one's it. So now I gotta go under here, and I believe that one's a wideband one. So I gotta get under there and take it out and unplug it from the plug is somewhere in there. So let's get to it. Of course, this would be an easy ass job if I knew how to unclip this. I keep forgetting how to unclip this, and this is becoming very annoying. Becoming a 5-minute job to an hour, day-long job. Let's see if I can figure it out. So I got it. Don't ask me how, but I got it. So let's move on to removing the actual O2 sensor from the exhaust right here. Let's get to it. All right, so I got the key. Supposedly supposed to, according to my knowledge, put it in the on position.
Ready to pair.
And it should do its own thing.
Connect.
Alright, so according to my knowledge, I'm supposed to put it in the on position, which I did, and just let it read the atmosphere pressure. Well, not pressure, or just breathe fresh air. So I'm assuming it did what it had to do. Let me turn it off. Turn it back on. All right, I think that's how it's supposed to go. I'm gonna put it back on and I'm gonna turn it on, turn the car on and see if it reads. So let me try that. All right, so the sensor's inside the exhaust. Let me wait till it reads. And I'm gonna turn the car on this time. Any day now. Alright, see what it does. Alright, so I'm gonna go tighten up the sensor all the way, and I guess I did it right. Alright, so everything is all tightened up under the car and the exhaust. This is the old, burnt out wideband sensor. Pull this out right quick. Test it out one more time. Ugh.
Ready to pair.
Any day now, come on. But yeah, that's how you change the wideband sensor on a REW RX8.